In this video, we'll be exploring the themes related to Anuradha Nakshatra. This nakshatra resides in the zodiac sign of Scorpio. The coordinates are mentioned on the screen. So if you have a planet in that range, you might have Anuradha Nakshatra in your chart. However, it's not necessary to have that placement in order to resonate with this video. You can just watch it for entertainment as well. The themes related to this nakshatra include friendship, love triangles, longing, and devotion. A devotion where the person loses themselves to the cause. Anuradha itself means the effect or reward of love. Let's talk about the primary symbol, which is a lotus flower, which is very indicative of the qualities of this nakshatra. Can have tough times early on in life, can get stuck as well in the middle of the process, but eventually with hard work and sustenance and perseverance, they rise up in life. The ruling planet is Saturn, which reveals the spiritual challenges to be faced in Anuradha. This lunar mansion resides entirely within the constellation of Scorpio, which is ruled by Mars. The Mars impulse creates brave and courageous people who love to travel and move from place to place. They can reside in foreign lands and achieve success far away from their homeland.
The residing deity is Mitra, the god of friendship and partnership who promotes cooperation among humanity. Mitra is a benevolent sun god imparting compassion, devotion, and love. Another important deity is Radha, who is a Hindu goddess and a consort of god Krishna. She is worshipped as the goddess of love, tenderness, compassion, and devotion. And who doesn't know about the love story of Radha and Krishna? Think of what it takes to love someone the way that Radha loved Krishna, the way that she was devoted to him even after they were separated for years and years. That is the essence of what Anuradha Nakshatra is all about. The Nightingale and the Rose is a short story written by Oscar Wilde, who has Mars in Anuradha. The story begins with a young student who is lamenting in his garden because the love of his life will dance with him in the ball only if he brings her a red rose. But there is no red rose in his garden. The nightingale comes to know that the young man is weeping for a red rose. She feels the pain of that boy and wants to help him. She performs a suicidal act while singing with her heart on the thorn, giving her heart's blood to a white rose, which turns it into a beautiful red rose. In this process, the nightingale dies. This showcases their ability and readiness to sacrifice themselves for love.
The moon is debilitated here in the sign of Scorpio, which could indicate a melancholy nature and lack of maternal nurturing.
You said no, if you recall.
If you have a prominent placement in Anuradha, you are dealing with the issue of love all your life. This is the central theme of your life if you're dealing with this nakshatra. What you're supposed to do is question the quality of your subject of affections. Who are you devoting yourself to? Are those people worthy of your time and affection? You can lose yourself in the search for love because the subject of love is so substandard or ordinary that you're never satiated, because these ordinary people are incapable of reciprocating your pure love. So there can be a deep longing experienced here in this lunar mansion, a deep longing to be united with someone who you resonate with on the same frequency.
तुम्हारे फेसबुक से खबर मिली, दो चीजें बदल चुकी, तुम्हारी दीवारों का रंग, दूसरा तुम्हारे दिल का पता।
Fantastic.
सर
ऐसे चार्मिंग इंसान से आपको मोहब्बत कैसे नहीं हुई?
चार्मिंग आपकी किताब में होगा। मुझे तो एक बिना प्राण का बच्चा मिला था जो पेवमेंट पे लेट के रोया करता था, गले लगा के रोया करता था।
तुम्हारा इश्क इतना कम वक्त था कि मेरा कम पड़ गया। खुशकिस्मत हो, सबकी बस की बात नहीं होती। ना इश्क ना वफा।
अजीज़ी कैसी है?
और बारी को दोस्त छोड़ दिया उसने मुझे। तुम्हें क्यों नहीं फोन किया उसने?
ओके चलो, थैंक यू फॉर डिनर।
कोई फीलिंग्स नहीं है तुम्हारे अंदर? जीरो फीलिंग्स।
सारी फीलिंग्स है, लेकिन बयां करूंगी तो तुम समझोगे नहीं। सब कुछ है तुम्हारे पास, मंजिल है, हुनर है, रिश्ता है, फिर भी तुम इसे पड़े हुए हो।
हाँ पढ़ा, सिर्फ मेरी है क्योंकि दिल मेरा है। प्यार क्यों नहीं कर सकती मुझसे?
प्यार करती हो यार, पर वो प्यार नहीं जो तुम चाहते हो।
क्यों?
वो नहीं होगा मुझसे। मैं खुद का नहीं होना चाहती।
विद्रोही जी वैसे नहीं है जैसा हमने सोचा था।
अबे डिप्रेस करने भेजा तो इम्प्रेस करके आ गए हो। असल में आईने में शकल देखी तुमने अपने?
अगर शकल देख के लड़के शादी करती ना तो हिंदुस्तान में आधे लड़के कबारे होते।
सुन बे, तुम सुनो बे, आज के बाद गलत टाइम पे फोन किया ना तो ऐसी लात मारेंगे कूले पे डिंपल निकाल देंगे तुम्हारे।
विद्रोही जी आदमी बुरे नहीं है।
लपेट लपेट तेज लपेट।